I'm Sarb Johal, a full-time videographer, psychologist and YouTube creator. It's my mission to help people enjoy 360 videography and edit their footage as easily as possible using mobile devices like your phone or iPad. And I've also got 30 years of psychology experience and 2 doctorates worth of training to bring you my take on hot psychology topics to help guide you and help to solve the YouTube community's problems. That's my mission too. While learning some new skills along the way, I'm able to accomplish my mission by sharing free digital psychology and 360 video and mobile editing knowledge and creating valuable resources for the YouTube community. In the past 9 months, I've created over 160 videos and I'm currently posting at least 2 videos a week to YouTube. But as you can imagine, that's a lot of hard work. And that's because in addition to creating videos, I also have to earn a sustainable income in order to become a full-time creator. That's where fans like you can really make a difference. Meet Patreon. Patreon is a unique opportunity for fans who enjoy my work to join me on my mission while getting a behind-the-scenes view of my work and process and extra resources too. Many of my patrons are here because they appreciate the work I do and just want to be a part of my creative journey and help to support me as I create resources that people find useful. Once you become my patron, you'll feel good knowing that you're funding monthly resources for my YouTube communities that would otherwise not exist. Here's how your support can make a difference. Funding for my Patreon community empowers me to dedicate more time to creating videos and resources. Patrons will be able to influence the content I create through comments and polls, so I'll be able to improve the quality of my videos by purchasing better video and audio equipment and also test new devices that my community is interested in. Patreon funding will also provide me with a small budget that I can use to travel and shoot outdoors. As my patron, you will inspire me to consistently create content each month. Patreon is also a place to make a connection. My Patreon community will allow me to connect with my biggest fans on a deeper level by being more accessible. My Patreon page makes it easy for me to share exclusive content that I create especially for my patrons. As a member of my Patreon community, you'll get access to patrons only rewards that are not available to the general public. You'll also get exclusive early release long form videos, both of my psychology and 360 video editing channels. You can pick the reward that you want that makes most sense to you as my patron. If you're thinking about joining my Patreon community, the best time to do that is the first of the month because that's when billing occurs. You can edit your pledge amount or cancel your pledge at any time. If you want to, you can even make a one-time pledge. If you're interested in learning more about Patreon and the rewards I offer, go to patreon.com/SarbJohal and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.